Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Tutorials with Saxon. Today I'm going to show you how to make a smooth zoom out. So once you've created the new composition and added the clip recorded to your music, what you need to do is, you need to add an adjustment layer, create new, and then go to adjustment layer and cut it according to your clip. Then what we need to do is, we need to select our adjustment layer and search for as Thermo Curves. It is a Sapphire plugin, which is a paid plugin. If you know where to get it, you know. Then what you need to do is add it to your adjustment layer. Then go to the first frame of your adjustment layer, select on this Z distance. Then change it to around 0.4 to 0.5 for a good zoom in. Then also you can change the location of the camera where the zoom starts. For this I'm gonna choose this face. Then once you have done that, go to the last frame of your adjustment layer and select one. Press U to see the keyframe, then select the keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph and change the graph, which is very important. What you need to do is, you need to change it to around here and somewhere here. Then you can see the smooth zoom out. Once you're done with this, what you need to do is, you need to select the keyframe, press Ctrl plus C, go to the next adjustment layer, then press Ctrl V. Also you need to select this every time or change the camera every time as per your clip. I'm going to change it to here. Then press U to see the keyframe. For me it is perfectly aligned. If your keyframe is not aligned, what you can do is, you can select the keyframe, then hold Alt to change the keyframe, and it's not going to change the position of the graph. That's it. So this is how you make a smooth zoom. Thank you for joining in. Take care. Bye bye.